A stunning ranch home in Buffalo Grove, with Stevenson HS and the most fabulous fenced yard with deck and sunroom. What more could you want? Breathtaking great room featuring hardwood flooring, a beautiful fireplace, recessed lighting and a wide open floor plan. Enjoy cooking in this updated kitchen showcasing 42 inches maple cabinets, granite prep surface, stainless appliances, glass tile backsplash, hardwood floors, skylight, in-planning home workstation. Enormous dining room meant for entertaining. Master bedroom retreat. His, in, hers closets, private master bath and hardwood floors. Guest bedrooms feature hardwood floors. This is one of those homes you walk in and say WOW. Come to enjoy. Location is ideal.